go.
Did it just blow up?
Yes, it did. Eric, are you okay? It exploded. It exploded. Yes, it did, David. I'm telling you, it exploded. I had the video to prove it. It exploded. On the launch pad.
It exploded.
It exploded. I'm telling you, it exploded. No, I don't know if it got off the ground or not. All I know is that it didn't look right, and then all of a sudden this big boom. My pants shook. That's how hard the boom was from it. That's crazy. I guess the guy in the boat should be thankful that they postponed it. All right, I gotta go. All right, love you, bye.
Hey, Mike, you didn't get clear. Take off. No, I didn't. Hey, that was a crack. I just was hoping that, like, it didn't. Oh,
thanks. Oh my gosh.
Fire all the way.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Is Eric crying?
No, he's not crying.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Look, everything's on fire. What'd you say, buddy? You said what?
You can't even, I can't even make a phone call right now.
Can you not? You don't like the fire? Well, they won't let it get this far. They're going to stop it. They're going to put it out in a couple minutes.
Says the system is busy. Is he okay?
Yeah, she put it down.
Okay. That was crazy. Did you see if it even got off the ground?
It got off just
I think it just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Well, you know what? I'm glad this was privately funded because that's not my taxpayers in flames over there. That's crazy.
I didn't have the motion. I took several stills and it's taken. That's where it's like taking off. Right down.
Hey,
I said it's going to explode.
is Jay okay?
Wow. Yeah, you could see it taken off.
I have video of it. It was crazy. No, because it's on Kimmy's camera. I'll get it off of Kimmy's camera and show it to you. But it was just it was crazy. All right, love you. Bye.
It's spreading bad.
I think you contain it fairly easily. I mean, they're probably prepared for that to a point.
To a point,
I don't know about.
Of course, there's a lot of sage for us. It's not.
Its name is not Mikey. It's Mr. Mike.
Mr. Mike, I don't like to fire off that way.
You don't like fire that way.
Mikey.
My son is on the rescue. So he has his team ready in case something happens.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he said everybody's okay.
Good. My next door neighbor he works on it. He's an electrician that works on it, and I texted my husband to make sure he was okay. He said they're all on lockdown right now.
Yeah,
they
they're
can't
all
go.
okay.
But that is like that's crazy how far. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Do not say hey to people. It is not nice.
You say excuse
You say excuse me. Yes.
I have to talk to you.
You don't want to go that way? Well, I think when you leave, you'll go that way. Alyssa got it on video. I've seen every one of them, and this is the first time I've ever seen this.
Wow. Well, I guess Mike said they told you you shouldn't stay in your house.
No.
And I can understand why with that boom. That was crazy because my pant legs went like it was like crazy.
There's it's talk. We don't know for sure that they're gonna put shatterproof windows in our house.
Oh.
It's still talk.
I can understand why.